My own personal definition of leadership is the overarching skills and the overarching structure that allows a group of uncommon people to complete common tasks. And if you
So,
want to dig into that from a military standpoint, you take people from Dallas, Texas, from Chicago, Illinois, from Cheyenne, Wyoming, you throw them in boot camp together, and somehow at the end, they all kind of look, smell, and talk like one another. How that
okay.
works, who knows? But it does. If you want to look at it from a business standpoint, you take people with multiple backgrounds and multiple interests, and you put them on a project together, and at the end of the project there's mission accomplishment, whether it be because you sold something, you created something, you marketed something, so on and so forth. If you want to look at it from just a general processes standpoint, you take human capital, you take equipment, and you take standard operating procedures, you mesh them together, and you somehow get a better utilization or an increased standard or higher efficiency.